Hello everyone. Today I'll guide you through fixing all issues or errors with Windows Media Player on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. If you're having trouble opening files, experiencing playback issues, or seeing error messages, this tutorial will help you resolve these problems in a few simple steps. Let's begin. First, right-click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. In the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open up the main Settings window. In Settings, find and click on System on the left side. Now, in the System section, scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see an option called Optional Features. Click on that. In the search box here, type Media Player. This will help us quickly find Windows Media Player if it's currently installed on your system. If you see Windows Media Player in the search results, click on it and you'll see an Uninstall button. Go ahead and click Uninstall. This will remove Windows Media Player and it may take a few moments to complete. Once it's uninstalled, we'll reinstall it to ensure it's working properly. Go back up to the top of the Optional Features section and find the button that says Add a Feature or View Features. Click on this and again, type Media Player in the search box. When you see Windows Media Player in the list, check the box next to it, then click Next, and finally click Install. The installation may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. After the installation is complete, it's a good idea to restart your computer to make sure everything is refreshed. Once your PC restarts, open Windows Media Player and check if the issue has been resolved. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. It supports the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.